From rifles and machine guns to grenades, flamethrowers, and mortars, the United States fielded one of the most diverse infantry arsenals of World War II. American weapon design focused on reliability, standardization, and mass production, allowing equipment to be deployed globally and maintained under extreme conditions. In this video, we examine 40 major U.S. infantry weapons used during the war, explained clearly, historically, and without dramatization. Rifles and carbines. The M1 Garand was the standard U.S. service rifle of World War II. As a semi-automatic weapon firing the powerful 30-06 cartridge, it gave American infantry a higher rate of fire than bolt-action rifles. Its reliability and mass production made it one of the most influential rifles in military history. The M1 carbine was designed for support troops, officers, and vehicle crews. Lighter and more compact than a full rifle, it provided greater firepower than a pistol. It became one of the most widely produced American firearms of the war. The M1A1 paratrooper carbine featured a folding wire stock for airborne troops. Its compact design allowed paratroopers to jump with the weapon secured to their body. It provided mobility without sacrificing basic firepower. The M1903 Springfield was a bolt-action rifle carried over from World War I. Although slower than the Garand, it was highly accurate and dependable. It remained in service as a sniper rifle and grenade-launching platform. The M1903A4 was the primary U.S. sniper rifle of World War II. Equipped with a telescopic sight, it provided precision fire at extended ranges. It filled a specialized role across both European and Pacific theaters. The M1917 Enfield was a robust bolt-action rifle originally used in World War I. During World War II, it served mainly in training and rear-area defense roles. Large numbers were also supplied to Allied nations. The M1941 Johnson rifle was an alternative semi-automatic design to the Garand. It featured a rotary magazine that could be topped off during use. Though produced in limited numbers, it saw early service with U.S. Marines. M1941 Johnson light machine rifle. This variant of the Johnson rifle featured a heavier barrel and bipod. It was intended to provide automatic fire at the squad level. Despite promising performance, it was never widely adopted. Submachine guns. The Thompson M1928A1 was an early, finely machined submachine gun. Chambered in 45 ACP, it delivered powerful close-range fire. High production costs limited its long-term wartime use. M1A1 Thompson simplified the original design for mass production. It removed unnecessary features to reduce cost and manufacturing time. Despite simplification, it remained highly effective in close combat. The M3 grease gun was designed as a low-cost alternative to the Thompson. Constructed from stamped steel, it was cheaper and easier to produce. Its slower rate of fire made it more controllable in combat. The M3A1 improved upon the original grease gun design. It eliminated the cocking handle, simplifying operation and maintenance. These changes increased reliability under battlefield conditions. The rising M50 was used primarily by the U.S. Marine Corps. While accurate, it proved unreliable in harsh jungle environments. As a result, it was gradually phased out of frontline service. Pistols and revolvers. The M1911A1 served as the standard U.S. military sidearm. Firing the 45 ACP cartridge, it was valued for reliability and stopping power. It remained in service for decades beyond World War II. Smith & Wesson Victory Model. The Victory Model revolver was produced in enormous numbers. It armed air crews, naval personnel, and support troops. Its simple design made it dependable with minimal training. The Colt M1917 revolver fired 45 ACP ammunition using moon clips. It provided heavy stopping power in a revolver platform. It served as a supplemental sidearm throughout the war. High Standard HDM was a suppressed .22 caliber pistol. Used by intelligence and special operations units, it was extremely quiet. It filled a niche role in covert operations. The FP-45 Liberator was a simple, single-shot pistol. It was designed to be cheaply mass-produced and distributed to resistance fighters. Its purpose was psychological rather than tactical. Machine guns. The Browning automatic rifle provided automatic fire at the squad level. Firing full-power rifle cartridges, it bridged rifles and machine guns. Its firepower supported infantry advances and defensive positions. The M1919A4 was an air-cooled medium machine gun. Mounted on tripods or vehicles, it provided sustained fire support. It was lighter and more mobile than earlier water-cooled designs. The M1919A6 added a bipod and shoulder stock for portability. This allowed limited use as a squad-level automatic weapon. However, its weight made it difficult to maneuver. The Browning M2 was a heavy machine gun capable of engaging vehicles and aircraft. Its power and reliability made it one of the most successful designs ever created. It remains in service to this day. The M1917 used a water-cooled barrel for sustained fire. It was ideal for defensive positions requiring continuous operation. Its weight limited mobility but ensured durability. The N/M2 was an aircraft-adapted machine gun. It featured a higher rate of fire for aerial combat. This weapon armed many U.S. aircraft throughout the war. Shotguns. The Model 1897 trench shotgun featured a pump-action design. It was highly effective in close-quarters environments. Its use became especially notable in jungle combat. The Model 12 improved upon earlier shotgun designs. It featured smoother operation and increased durability. It saw extensive service in the Pacific Theater. The Ithaca 37 featured bottom ejection to keep debris out. This design improved reliability in harsh environments. It was widely respected for its rugged construction. The Stevens 520 was recognizable by its distinctive receiver shape. It served in guard duty and frontline roles. Its durability made it suitable for military service. Anti-tank and support. The M1 bazooka was the first widely issued infantry rocket launcher. It allowed soldiers to engage armored vehicles directly. This weapon revolutionized infantry anti-tank warfare. The M1A1 improved reliability and ease of use over earlier models. It became the standard U.S. anti-tank launcher. Its influence shaped post-war rocket weapon development. The M18 recoilless rifle fired heavy projectiles without recoil. It provided portable firepower against fortifications and vehicles. It entered service late in the war. The M7 launcher attached to standard rifles. It allowed infantry to fire grenades at extended ranges. This expanded squad-level explosive capability. Explosives and heavy infantry support. The Mk2 grenade was the standard U.S. fragmentation grenade. Its segmented body aided grip and fragmentation. It was used for clearing enemy positions. The M15 grenade produced smoke and incendiary effects. It was used for signaling, screening, and area denial. Its versatility made it a valuable battlefield tool. The M1 anti-tank mine was a pressure-activated explosive. It was used to disable enemy vehicles and block movement. Mines played a critical role in defensive operations. The Bangalore torpedo cleared obstacles and barbed wire. It was widely used during amphibious assaults. This system enabled infantry to advance through defenses. Flamethrowers and mortars. The M2 flamethrower was used mainly in the Pacific Theater. It cleared fortified positions and underground defenses. Its use was limited but highly specialized. The M1A1 improved reliability and fuel system design. It enhanced safety and effectiveness for operators. It remained a niche but important weapon. The M260mm mortar provided portable indirect fire. It allowed infantry units to engage enemies behind cover. Its mobility made it highly valuable at the company level. The M181mm mortar delivered greater range and firepower. It supported infantry with sustained indirect fire. Mortars were essential to combined arms operations. Together, these 40 systems formed a flexible and effective infantry arsenal. Supported by industrial-scale production and global logistics, U.S. weapons played a decisive role in Allied success. This has been a technical and historical overview of American infantry arms. This is Military Arsenal Explained.